एक मिनट यार।
out of the same show, you all saw what a brilliant job our students have done. They are still students, they are coming from their classrooms presenting at an international level show today in front of you. And all of their clothes were beautifully executed, wearable, you can see it's all in front of you. And I have to thank their mentor, Neeraj Gaba, for making them present in such a professional way, from styling to, and of course I have to mention our interior design students, because this was a double opportunity. Not only our fashion students, but interior students did the set decoration for the show today. And their theme was a vintage reimagined, and they have taken inspiration from 60s to 80s, and I think they did a brilliant job. And apart from that, I just want to also say that INIFD has always tried to open up doors for youngsters, for young talent, because it is not easy. We've had famous people refuse to walk for our show in the past because they said that it's a student show, we don't want to walk for you. And so this is the reality of the industry. And so the fact that we have Karishma walking, it's a great experience for our students. And she should be applauded for this, of course, that she's here encouraging young talent. And thank you to Lakme and to our continued partnership. And now I'm going to ask Karishma to say a few words.
Wow. I am always excited to be a part of Lakme and encourage all the young students, who aspire to become the designer one day. And I know how the dream works, I know the passion they have. So I really like to encourage each and everybody. And the moment I got to know that I have to walk for one of a very talented designer, Yash, I was very happy, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna keep that day free and I'm gonna walk the ramp for them. So they are also, charged up. They're also there, and working passionately every day. So all the best, and you guys are so talented. I was seeing from backstage all the outfits, of the models and all that, like this, I love it. I mean, so innovative, so different, and so fresh. So congratulations to everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We pass on the mic to the students as well to have a...
Yash.
Tell us a little bit about collections.
So, hello guys, my name is Yash and I'm an INIFD student last year, and I am really inspired by the strong, bold looks which I like. The structured garment is my thing, which I really like to do, and I guess denim is also one of my favorite things to work on, and I'm looking forward to work more on that. And yeah, I will, if I have any nice chance to get more celebrities wearing my garments, then it's my luck. Thank you.
Please go.
Hi, my name is Priyala Gargal. I'm from INIFD Jaipur. I'm in second year, and our collection was inspired from 1970s of yuppies. They were like very rich and they used to show off their luxury. So we made luxury possible for everyone of all the youths that we aspire to be. So yeah, and our collection has screen printed the very renowned art craft of Jaipur. So thank you so much, guys.
Speak closer to the mic. Yes, we can hear you closer to the mic, yes.
My name is Palak. Okay, I'm from INIFD Kothur, Pune, and my collection was like Japanese.
Let us speak.
Sorry, yeah. I'm feeling very comfortable. Initially I thought it's denim, so it's not going to be comfortable, it's going to be tight, but I think my designer Yash has done a fab job, and I feel, as you said, I feel like a boss lady, and I'm behaving like one.
करिश्मा
जी।
आपने बहुत सारे फैशन शो में वॉक किया होगा, लेकिन ये बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स ने बनाया है कपड़ों को। कैसी फीलिंग है इसकी?
जैसे कि आपने कहा, ये बहुत ही स्पेशल है। मैं स्टूडेंट्स को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देती हूँ और देना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज फॉर बिग डिज़ाइनर्स एनी आर्टिस्ट, एनी सेलिब्रिटी कैन वॉक. फॉर देम to encourage them, it's a big thing, to come in the market, to come in the on the platform where they actually deserve. So for that, I really like to encourage them, and that's why I'm here.
किस तरह का फैशन फॉलो करते हैं?
I don't follow any fashion. जिसमें मैं अच्छी लगती हूँ, जिसमें मैं comfortable feel करती हूँ, I follow that.
You consider yourself a student as well?
No.
of acting also?
Yeah, I mean, I learn every day, different things, and I think एक acting एक ऐसा जरिया है जहाँ आप every day you learn something or the other. So yeah, of course, I'm definitely a student.
And the best part
I
is,
thought you were talking about fashion.
Karishma ji, the best part is your earring. It's looking very good. Tell
Thank
us something about it.
I'm the designer.
She just loved it and she's
Yeah, he gave me and I just wore it and I love it.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Karishma. Thanks a
Thank you.
lot.
Thank you.
Can we have a picture?